How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome back to Facebook Ads for Beginners, where I teach people exactly how to run Facebook ads for their businesses so they don't have to pay someone like me thousands of dollars a month to do it for them. In today's video, I'm going to show you my fourth quarter strategy. So as we come into the fourth quarter, Facebook ads become more expensive because every man and their dog is running Facebook ads. You know, Nike's spending $150 million a day. You know, all the big wigs, they're just piling money into Facebook ads. And as a result, the costs for the little guys like us, they go up. So to sort of counteract that, we want to move away from the more expensive conversions, which is conversions optimizing for purchases, because that's what Nike and everyone else is going for. So when it comes to this time of the year, we want to scale back our conversions that are optimizing for purchases and probably go put more money on our prospecting ads. So our prospecting ads are usually reach or view content ads, sometimes traffic. And why we do those is because it gets us very cheap people to our website. They're usually not the best converting people, but they are really, really cheap. And this time of the year, when conversion ads are so expensive, they might be so expensive that they become unprofitable. There's really no point running them. So our best chance is to then go after the really cheap traffic, reach, view content people, and then we retarget them with our other ads. So we leave our retargeting ads the way they are. We just change our cold audience ads from conversions optimizing for purchases to more of a prospecting ad. In this video, I'm going to be scaling back those cold audience ads, and I'm going to be adding a traffic ad, and I'm also going to be upping the budget on my 2 prospecting ads. So before I jump into it, guys, if you're following along and you like the content I put out, hit that subscribe button for us. Hit that like button, and if you have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it. And let's just jump into it. So here's one of the accounts that I'm managing at the moment, and for the last month, this top conversion ad has been going pretty crap. This one is good. It's not too bad. So this one here, it's 160 bucks a day. I'm going to turn it off because it's just not getting as good as a result. So what I'm going to do before I turn it off, I'm going to use this same audiences and the same ad in my traffic ad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that $160. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to put another $10 per day on this prospecting ad. So that's a reach prospecting ad. And this here is another prospecting ad too. This is a view content prospecting ad. So what I'm going to do is up the budget by those on an extra $10 a day each. So then that leaves me with $140 once I turn this off. And then I'm just going to duplicate this for now, because it's just the easiest way to do it. And what I'm going to do, instead of using a conversion, I'm just going to call it traffic. Obviously, I need to come down here and I need to make it traffic. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, I want to do that. It's probably going to mess up all my details, but that's fine. Traffic. And I just want to do $100 a day. So everything else, we come over, exit out of that, come over to the ad set level. Just want to rename all these so it keeps it organized. Traffic. Just now click, and now I just want to edit them all. And I need to change all this sort of stuff can stay the same. This stays the same. I might just edit the age groups. Yeah, it's going to go broad because these ads are going to be a lot cheaper. So what I'm going to do is just do them one at a time. Makes it easier. I'm not going to have an age limit on them. $18 to 65. Go wide, go broad. Also going to turn this on, because these are going to be very broad ads. I want to hit as many people as I can, and I need to change this to landing page views. Everything else stays the same. So same again, same for this one. Get rid of the age. You can start it straight away, that's fine. Might even engage shoppers. Come down here, and I also just need to change, left that on, need to change this. Landing page views, lucky last. This one, I'm not going to leave that on. So it's the same interest every time, but this one's got engaged shoppers, this one's expanded interest, and this one's not. So not expanded. Okay, change this. Come back up to my original one, the first one. Expanded. I put expanded because I clicked the... I didn't, but I meant to. I wanted to expand it. Cool. Just want to copy that name. Put it on the ad as well. So what I want to do is I want to use that same ad, which is this one. There's the post ID that I want. And the ad level, I can edit them all, should be able to edit them all at the same time. Select page. Yeah, it's beautiful, sweet. Make sure the website events is picked. Well, that's why you always got to be careful. You always got to check that. Sometimes it's unchecked for some reason. So always make sure your website events is selected, or you're just wasting money. So very quickly, let's just have a look what I've done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that one off because it was going crap. I'm going to use that $160 a day budget. I put an extra $10 on this prospecting ad. I put another $10 on that prospecting ad, and I'm spending $100 on this one. So it's sort of a prospecting as well, I guess. Prospect. And this is because we're coming into the fourth quarter, and these conversion ads are just going to get more expensive. So I want to get bulk people into my website, and then my retargeting ads, which are still optimizing for purchases, will then convert them, is the idea. So my retargeting ads are still doing pretty well, $12 and $21. Prospecting, yeah, I could probably maybe, what's the budget on those? Yeah, I'll leave the budget as is for now. See how the next couple of weeks goes. So just clicking into that campaign, we've got the 3 ad sets going. What I want to do is probably just set a minimum budget on them. And if it's $100 a day, $100 a day, you want to do 30% of 100 is $30, and then you want to split that $30 between the 3 ad sets, so $10 each. So you just want to make sure they spend at least $10 each per day, so one doesn't just chew up all your budget. So there's those done. Make sure that all the ages are fine. That's good. They're all optimizing for landing page views, which is what I want. And for now, they've just got the one ad. I'll probably add more ads in there later on, but we'll just see how this one goes for now. So that's all I'm going to do for this. So that's my 4th quarter strategy for now, guys. Once I update it or change it, I'll get back to you and let you know why I've done it and how these ads are going. But as we come into the 4th quarter, like I said, the ads are just going to become more expensive because there's so many more players coming into the game and they're up in their budgets. And it's like Facebook's just one big auction, and you know I'm only spending $500-600 a day, and I just get outbidded by Nike and Walmart and Hallmark and Tiffany's and Myer and all that. They're all spending $10,000 a day, and I just don't really have a chance. So this is just one way of hopefully trying to target the cheaper people, bringing them into the website, and then retargeting them with my retargeting ads, and hopefully that works. So hopefully you get some value out of that, guys. Hopefully you can employ that into your own business and get some results. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like the content I put out, guys, hit that subscribe button for us. It really helps my channel grow. If you've been following along with my series, how to make money online using Facebook ads or Facebook ads for small businesses, and you really like them, share those videos with friends. It really helps my channel grow. So thanks for that, guys. And I'll see you on another video. Thanks, guys. Oh, and obviously before we actually do that, we'll publish it. Cool. That will probably start running ads in 20 minutes or so. So that's it for that one. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on another one. Thanks, guys.